So this is the Myki card and this is the PTV app or the Public Transport Victoria app. So I was in Melbourne for holiday. Like me, if you're going to Melbourne for holiday and this is your first time in Melbourne, today I'm going to walk through with you how to link the Myki card to the PTV app and how to use the Myki card in Melbourne. So you can get the Myki card at any of the train stations in Melbourne. Spot this machine in the train station, and then here in the machine, since we are tourists, we're going to buy Myki, and then the fare type is select full fare, and then select top up Myki pass, and then under select travel zone, since we're only going to be traveling in and around the CBD area, we're going to select zone 1 and zone 2 only. This will go into more detail later. And then the pass duration, and then select the number of days or number of weeks that you want to get under the Myki pass. So for us, since we're going to be there for 1 week, we're going to select 1 week, and with that our Myki pass or card will cost us a full fare Myki card fee of $6, and the Myki pass itself costs us $53 for 1 week on a default fare type, and that's a total of 59 Australian dollars. And then to pay, you can pay with cash or with our credit card. So we paid with our Big Pay Visa card, and that's it. That's where we got our Myki card. So that's the Myki card. Now to link it to the PTV app, after you downloaded the PTV app in your phone, here I'm using the iPhone. At the top here, tap app and then scan your PTV card, your Myki card behind. And because the Myki is not registered to an account, so we need to create an account that will enable you to add your Myki to the app here, the PTV app, and you can also protect and check your balance. So click create an account and then fill in your details, your first name, last name, date of birth, mobile number, email address, and then your address. And then go next to choose your login details, create your username, password, and then choose your security questions. And then the third part, choose Myki holder for whether it's for you yourself applying for this Myki or you're applying for someone else. And you need to enter a 4-digit PIN. This is for security purposes by the PTV call center. And then we're not done yet. We need to do the mobile verification setup. You need to verify your mobile number. So put in your mobile number, then you'll receive a code. And with that, your mobile verification is complete and you are logged in and all set on your Myki PTV app. So for first timers, even though in the app here it shows limited, it will take about 24 hours for the Myki card to be linked successfully to the PTV app. But in the meantime, you can still use your Myki card. So it's very straightforward. When you're taking the train, just tap it at the gate, or you're taking the tram, tap it on the radar, the green radar, and you're all set and ready to ride the train or tram. So that's a quick tutorial on the Myki card and the PTV app. I hope you found this walkthrough and tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel.